Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. It's been a long time since I made a video, and I just made one today earlier on Name It, and I'm pretty sure this QR code will go to Name It and Number It. Well, I made a video on Number It. This is Name It. There's a lot of ways to do this in Corel through print merge and in position layout, but I can't ever get it. So I'm going to start this from scratch. So I have this deal right here, and I want to name, and I've done one like this, but never have I done it when it's text to path. So we're going to let's call this something different. I'm going to call it all caps NAME 3. Okay. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to text to path it right in here. So I'm going to just remember name 3 because we're going to build the list here in a minute, second. I'm going to go to text to path, and put it in the path, and that always looks funny. Put it on the bottom. We're going to left click, right click, and then we're going to kind of bring it down. And I'm not sure if I should have done center justified, but I don't really think it matters in this. We're going to take the shape tool, and we're going to make this a little bit longer, and we'll just see how it looks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make Control D and make a copy of that. And I really want 5. I don't know if it's going to change this one, but I need 5. So now I'm going to go to Excel, and I'm going to start a new deal, and I'm going to call it name. It has to be caps if you're going to start with caps. Name 3. And for this video, I'm going to take away their jersey numbers. I have to click on. I've used all my life, all my adult life. I've used Lotus 123, and I'm still using Excel. Pretty cool, without a doubt. But I really have Excel just to be able to do stuff like this, and let's make them. We'll just call it Dave Smith. So there's 5 names. Now, here's the key. I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to call it Name 3. CSV, comma, whatever that stands for, and I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go back to Corel, and I'm going to open up Name It. So I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, or yours might say, and I'm going to start Name It. Now I need to change this right here to, I'm pretty sure I put it on the desktop. To make it easier, I'm just going to delete this if I can. Well, you know what? Load file. Let's see what it does. And we'll just find it. There's name 3. Load the file, and then it's going to put all where it's at. And I'm going to go name 3, targets name 3, replace with selected column, and I'm going to put 5 of them. And then I'm going to cross my fingers. Now, we're spread out too much. That's pretty cool. You can play around with that like this. And I'm still going to try to figure out if we can do an envelope to try to keep them like, okay, the David Smith is a little bit off. And, one thing that's maybe what I should. Let's go to object. I don't have the text broken apart. Let's try that. Let's take these. I'm learning as you're learning. I'm going to go object, and break the text apart. Now I just have that. And let's make sure it's kind of where we want it. You know what? Let's make the font a little smaller. Yeah, but that's not going to work with or because it's already a text path. Now we can take the still with the shape tool, and surely we can do that. No, it's because it's text. You know what? Let's just do it. We don't have to use that one. Let's just go. It has to be the name 3. And let's center justified now. I don't know that that's going to matter. I'm going to go text, fit text to path, put it on the path. You see that red line is mean it's in the center. Then I'm going to narrow it both ways. Now you can use these numbers and go up and down. Whoop. Now it's going to do like that, but you can always move it back over. You can do this by hand or like that. Now let's go Control D. I don't know if it matters if you have not enough. I don't know that you have to, but I'm going to select all the names. Then I'm going to open up NAMEIT. So we got name 3, and I want 5 of them. And in that short a time, see, it didn't do the first one, but that's fine. We got Doug Blue, David Smith, John Hayden. And so if you had 100 of these or 400 of these, think of the time that saved. Now, my mentor, Roy Brewer, could do this inside of Corel with print merge and an imposition layout. And I've done it actually a couple of times, but it's totally confusing where laser jump starts, name it and number it is incredible how much time it's going to save you. And then, you know, at that time, you're going to change the font. Let's get on. I'm going to get further. My video is long enough, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.